Hi friends. Today I was invited to come your art class. So then draw me. Hey, you want to draw my beard beautifully, okay?
So now you know what to do. First, draw his template. Okay, now let's raise the image a little more. Well, now let's draw his outline with a black pen. If you think this video will be useful for your friends, don't forget to share it with them. If you want to get the other video we are releasing soon, subscribe to us and click on the bell icon next to it. Well, in the meanwhile, we talk a little with the God. Hi, Mr. God. You like your beard a lot, don't you?
Why only me? People like it too. Some of them are growing a beard for my style.
Yes. It's called a God's beard, isn't it?
That's it.
Okay, now we have finished drawing the outlines. Let's erase the pencil lines. Well, now let's paint him. First, let's color his eyeball and hair in black. And his beard and tail. But I want them in grey. But I don't have grey. So I paint white over black. Now I paint upper part of his body orange. Then I painted its horns brown and put a little shading on his face with same color. And color his belly also brown. After that, his nose and his hooves are painted black. Now the work is finished. Here's a beautiful god. Beautiful, isn't it? Guys, comment below your thoughts about this god. Okay, goodbye.